Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For this one is a commercial microwave, and for the units, they're using about like a 1500 watts for the units, and the model numbers, it will be the 1034 N1A. And the units also using the standard plugs, and it's only 110 powers. And let's take a look overall size for the units. Entirely, the units about like 21 and 3/4 inches. And the deep include the handlebar and the back covers. They are about like 19.5 inches total. And the overall height will be 13.5 inches tall. As you can see, the front menu bars, we're having the touch bar right here, and you can adjust the different function for the units. Let's see the inside. Inner side of the units will be 14.5 inches deep. And it's about like almost like 14.5 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 9 inches tall. This is the all information about our products, and if you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.